My name's Heidi Trepanier. I'm a painter, an artist, and my show is titled This Is Fine. The past 2 years has done a number on everyone, myself included, and my way of kind of coping was to retreat to my studio and do a series of paintings that were pretty labor intensive. Each one of the paintings is an examination of my mood or a motivation or a reaction to something that's been going on. So 15 Minutes of Freedom is obviously a play on Warhol's 15 Minutes of Fame, but during the lockdown and significant changes in when we can be at home, when we can't be at home, when we need to wear a mask, when we don't need to wear a mask. The idea of freedom kind of has been amorphous over the last couple years. So yeah, I just played off that and then finished the show with this last panel.